Hi, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Alex, and like much of you guys on this website today, I also struggled with my weight. It was a little bit over a year ago, and I found myself at the heaviest point of my life, weighing over 260 pounds, and I felt horrible. I tried everything. I tried diets. I tried all these gimmick pills. I worked out. I did everything. And yeah, I would lose a few pounds, but ultimately I would just gain it all back. And then I was introduced to the Pure Green Coffee Extract. This is a miracle pill. Okay, this pill in less than 6 months has made me lose over 60 pounds. Now, I can't attribute it all to the pills because when I bought these pills, they had a program or I guess a special. It was 3 bottles and you get a recipe book. And those diets really work. They helped me shed those final pounds that I needed to lose. I also started working out again and I feel better than ever. I feel full of energy and I'm 60 pounds lighter than I've been. And I owe it all to Green Coffee Bean Extract. Thank you.